Welcome to this tutorial on how to add contacts in Sendinblue from new WordPress users automatically. Guys, if you're looking for a way to streamline your email marketing efforts, Sendinblue is a really powerful tool that can help you manage your contacts and automate your campaigns. And by integrating it with WordPress, you can easily add new WordPress users in your contacts list in Sendinblue automatically. So this way you can reduce your manual efforts and you can keep your email list up to date automatically. And we are going to set up this automation with a no code tool known as Pabbly Connect. So let me show you how you can also set up this automation. So this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and you can find the link of this page in the description as well. From here you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. So after you can just sign up right now, and after that you have to sign in and select Pabbly Connect product, and you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. From here you have to click on this create workflow button. Here you can give a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So I have given this name. Now I'm clicking on create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up here. And on this page, guys, you will find these two modules. These are the basic building blocks of our automation, the trigger and the actions. So guys, trigger is going to start the workflow and the action would be an automated consequence or a response towards the trigger. In our use case, guys, getting a new user in WordPress is going to trigger this workflow, and the action would be to add the same user as a contact in Sendinblue. Okay. So here, guys, when you click, it will ask to choose the application. So here you have to choose WordPress as the trigger application. Okay. Then select the trigger event as new user, or this option, user registers. Okay. So it triggers when a new user registered. Okay. And it will give you this webhook URL. So with the help of this, we are going to follow these instructions written here and create a connection with WordPress. Okay. And after that, we are going to capture the response of that connection or integration. So let's follow these steps here. Here is my WordPress applications dashboard, and here when you scroll down, you will find this settings option. But before coming to settings, you have to go to the add-ons. You can read here. You have to visit the plugins and you have to add a plugin in WordPress which is called WP Webhooks. Okay. So you have to install a WP Webhooks plugin here. After that, when you can see the plugin section, from here you can install a new plugin by clicking on add new button and search for WP Webhooks. After installing it, when you click on settings, you will find WP Webhooks option right here. Click on it. And from this WP Webhooks page, you have to click on send data. And under send data, guys, on the left hand side panel, when you scroll down, you will find this user created option under WordPress. Okay, click on user created, and here you have to click on this add webhook URL button. Okay, and here you can give a name to this connection that you are creating, and here you have to paste the webhook URL that you got here in your workflow. So just click on copy and paste this URL here like this. Okay, and then click on add for user create. You can see, guys, a new integration or connection has been created here. You can see it right here, and here you can see as we have copied the webhook URL, it started showing waiting for the webhook's response. This means now we have to perform a test submission. Test submission means now I'm going to create a test user manually inside WordPress, and the data of that test user will be captured here in the response section, and with the help of that data we are going to set up this automation further. Okay, so here I am coming to the user section. Here you can see the users. From here I am going to click on add new, and let us just create a test user here, not our original one. So I am providing the username here as test only. Okay, you can give provide any email address like this. In the first name, I am going to provide the first name as test and the last name as user. Okay, This is the password generated, and you can provide a role to this user. I have provided customer as the role, and here I am clicking on add new user button. You can see a new user has been created here. Okay, you can see a new user has been added here. Okay, now let us see in our workflow we got the data captured, and here you can see we got the data captured of this new test user. Okay, so all the things are here, the first name, login details, and the email address. Okay, now guys, I want to add the same user as a contact in Sendinblue. So in this section step, I'm going to search for Sendinblue, which is here selected. Then you have to select the action event as create contact, or you can use create or update contact if you want. I'm using just create contact now. Click on connect button. From here select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API key of Sendinblue account, so you can read the instructions to get the key. Let me show you directly where you can find it. So this is my Sendinblue or Bravo, formerly known as Sendinblue. Right now the name is changed to Bravo. And here is my profile icon. From the profile you can see the SMTP and API option. Click on it. Under SMTP and API you will find the API keys option right here. Okay, here you can generate a new key by clicking on generate a new key button, and here you can give a name to this key. I have given the name as new, and here's how you can generate the key. So you just have to copy the key and you have to paste this key here like this, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Sendinblue account. Okay, and then it will ask for the list in which you want to add the contacts. So I have many lists here. Let me show you. Here are the lists I have. So I'm going to select one of my lists. So I'm going to select this new list here. Okay, new list. Okay, and then it is asking for the new email and all these things here. So guys, I'm going to map the data from the first trigger step. Here we have received the data from WordPress. Now I'm going to map the labels here like this. So you just have to click here guys on the fields, and the previous step will appear here in the drop down, and when you click on it you can see the data right here. So from here only you can map this data user email label to map the email. Then you can scroll down and you can update the enable status true or false. If the person is blacklisted, make it true or false. And here you can see we have the first name and last name fields as well, so you can map the last name as the last name and the first name labels here. So this is the first name label. Okay, so if you have all other details you can map all the things here. Right now I have mapped the required things and the things I have in WordPress. Now guys, you can just check your connection with your Bravo or Sendinblue, and you can see right now we have two contacts here inside this new list, and here you can see the two contacts, and here I have this save and send test request button. I'm going to click on it and we'll see if we got a new test user added in the list or not. Here you can see this is the response we got. Let's check here in the list. I'm refreshing the list here. Alright, and here you can see test user, a new contact has been added here with the same details that I have mapped in the workflow. So you can see this is how it is going to work guys. So we are done setting up the automation and it is working fine, and you have to set it up only once. After that it is going to work automatically whenever any new or real user is going to register in your website. In Sendinblue you can see that user in your contact list automatically. And guys, I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, if you want to connect with our support team, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. You can ask and discuss your queries on our forum via this link, and you can check the pricing plans of Pabbly Connect via pabbly.com/connect #pricing. And guys, if you like our videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.